everyone. So it's another day. It's August 24 and we are starting early. It's 8:54. Today is going to be almost a full day. We are going to attend an event sa SM City Jensen and we're gonna meet up with friends and I'm gonna bring you with me. I want to appreciate my hair. Bino-dry ko pa lang siya. At it, so shiny and so soft and bouncy. And hindi siya super flat. May volume pa rin siya. I am using, katatry ko lang, the Rix Hair Mask. Ipa-flash ko dito. Andun kasi sa bathroom. And ganyo ako gamitin. It's because I am really a Rix user simula nung nagsimula sila. And then nakikita ko talaga si Miss Rika. Tingin ko talaga yung hair niya na super nice na and super layo na doon sa mga years ago. Yeah, tignan nyo, hindi pa ako naka-plansya. Diba? So nice. So, inuuna ko talaga mag-makeup kaysa mag-hair. Parang mas magstay yung makeup ko sa face ko. Kasi, mas na-notice ko na parang nagme-melt yung product sa face ko and mas maganda siya tignan. Hindi siya ganun ka-harsh. And kakaunti lang yung products na ginamit ko. Of course, yung prep ko is moisturizer, tapos nag-sunblock lang ako. No, ito. Yung vitamin C from Garnier. Tapos yung moisturizer ng Zevo. This is a sister company of Rix. Sobrang tagal ko nang ginagamit ito. And then, yung base ko naman is CC cream lang yung gamit ko. Hindi talaga ako gumamit ng foundation. Kasi hindi na ako sanay. Sobrang heavy sa face. So, this is from Cathy Doll. From Bangkok daw to. This has SPF 50, PA++++. I got it from a friend na nagre-resell din dito sa Jensen. And then, for my concealer, this is a serum concealer from Happy Skin. Tapos, for my brows, I am using BYS. Sobrang tagal ko na itong ginagamit. This is ash brown. Ito, sa SM or sa Watsons ko siya nabibili. And then, for my, what do you call this? Eyelashes. This is from Get Ready With Me. Ito yung volumizing and lifting mascara nila. Ginagamit ko dati yung Maybelline, pero hindi ko na gusto yung formula niya ngayon kasi namumuo-muo. So, parang di ko trip. This one is very nice. Yan. Volumizing and lifting mascara, lash booster. And totoo nga naman, kasi nung ginamit ko to, yung eyelashes ko kasi, meron na siyang mga gaps kasi dati mahilig ako mag eyelash extension. So, nakalbo siya. And then, when I use this one, ano na siya, complete na siya and mas makapal na siya. And then, for my blush, I'm using the Rare Beauty. This one. And the shade Truth. Sobrang nice nito kasi pwedeng pang travel. Maliit lang. And for my lips, this is from BLK Lover. So, basically, yan lang yung ginamit ko sa face ko. Yan, nagsisetting spray or nag-spray after my makeup. As I have said, hinayaan ko lang siya dyan mag-melt using yung body temp ko. And then, gagawin ko yung mga next steps. And then, after that, ayan, nag-i-start na siyang mag-melt. So, as you can see, parang glowy na siya. So, balik ako once I am done. And, punta na tayo sa SM.
Dito kasi kilid na daw. Love Life Drink Aicha!
Lunch ko. This is Kian's Cravings. Dito lang sila sa cinema area ng SM City. So, my favorite na sasawan nila. Sa big siomai, premium siomai, pero may regular siomai din sila. And then, meron silang pork, crab, beef. Meron din silang chicken. Muna ako kasi ginutom ako. I have this one na very nice in person. Sagot ka dito sa kanang Caveria ba na? Ang gwapo mo sa Vietnam katong kay daghan mo na scam dito po. Katong daghan motor. Good morning. It's the second day, August 25. Hindi ko na napagpatuloy yung vlog natin kahapon because I was really drained after the event na inatenan ko. I met up with friends. I think I got some clips. Insert ko na lang. And then after that, we had dinner. But today, we're heading out and continue natin. We're trying the downtown cafe for today. Putanes. Fish and chips. It's another day. It's August 29. It's already a Friday. Hindi na natin napagpatuloy yung vlog natin earlier this week, but it's okay. It's another day. I'm here at Coffee Bean sa SM. And ngayon lang ako ulit nakalabas since nung last clip natin. So, I just ordered yung usual order ko. Spicy tuna melt and Spanish latte. Usually, if it's end of the month, hanggang sa pag-start ng new month, madami akong ginagawa. Ayun, it's the 29th of the month. I have 29, 30, 31, 3 days para tapusin yung mga pending ko and hopefully matapos natin. Every end of the month, lagi talaga ako nagka-cram. Yung month ko rin sinasabi na next month will be a different month kasi mas tatrabahuin ko na ahead of time yung mga dapat ko trabahuin. Pero I always find myself in the same situation every month. Pero nasa-survive naman natin. So for those who are new, I am a virtual assistant. I am working with a digital media agency that is based in the United States. And before that, meron akong mga freelance clients na until now, kasama ko pa naman sila. I am handling their social media accounts. That is why every end of the month, yun talaga yung busy. Yun yung time na nagkakausap kami, nagmi-meet kami for brainstorming, for review and approval ng mga contents. And after that, ini-schedule na lang kasi. And yun, nag-a-up na yun sa social media accounts nila. Other than that, nagfo-focus ako sa main ko. I am also a content creator. So, I do content for brands that I'm working with. Isa din yan sa reason bakit ako lumabas ngayon is that I need to shoot content, tatlong content para sa dalawang brands that I'm currently working with. Supposedly, yung June nun is earlier this week pero nakiusap na lang ako kasi nga wala akong gana and sobrang hirap. Kapag wala kang energy, sobrang hirap maging creative. Kaya ngayon, pinilit ko na talaga. Ang problema ko naman, walang mag-shoot sa akin. Pero tingnan natin paano natin lusutan ito. There must be a way. So, hindi pa tayo nagla-lunch. Dito tayo ngayon sa Robata. And nag-order lang ako ng chicken tantan men and tempura. 3:50 na, hindi pa tayo naka-lunch. So, late lunch lang tayo and then pasok lang ako sa loob. Tingnan ko kung may mabili ako. Kung wala, uwi tayo para mag-nap. Ordered prawn tempura. Sobrang dami and sobrang laki pala. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. Tapos ako lang isa. It's okay. Take out na lang natin pag hindi na ubos. Orders complete. Chicken tantan men. Yan. Kain. Thank you, Lord. Konti lang yung Japanese resto dito sa Jensen. And I am here sa Robata, SM branch. Unang kagat, wedding agad. Wedding pa din.